everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of creating an account in Nike. So if you want to find out how you can do so, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, go to the app Nike. After that, tap on Join Us. Now to sign in, you have to go to nike.com. To continue, tap on Continue. You'll then be redirected to this page. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address to join or sign in. Enter your email address. So here's mine. And once you have entered your email, tap on Next. Now, a code will be sent to the email address that you have just entered. You have to enter the code right here. To know about the code, go to your mail. So here's my one-time code. You can copy it from here and then paste it right here. After that, enter your first name, last name, create a password for your account. After that, enter your date of birth. And then check on this box to sign up for emails to get updates from Nike on products, offers, and your member benefits. And check on this box once you have read and agreed to the Nike's privacy policy and terms of use. Once you have done all of these, tap on Create Account. So your account has been successfully created. You can save the password. After that, to go to your account, you can tap on Continue. You can also update your location. Here I'll be selecting my location and then agreeing to the terms and conditions. So that's it, your account has been created. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.